I promise that after using this, your hair will never stop growing. Super long hair growth secrets. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy for a super long hair. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1/2 onion, grated, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this recipe on your hair and scalp, then massage it gently. And leave it on for 30 minutes. For best results, use this recipe twice a week. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.